How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best setting for your Lenovo Legion R27qe monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to set your refresh rate to the highest number possible. You can do this by heading over to the advanced display setting or the display setting. You can just search this up on Windows and able to access this specific setting right here. Once again, just set it to the highest number possible. And in our case, it's going to be something like 240 Hz. Right after, let's now access the OSD setting, which is the on-screen display setting on our monitor. You can do that by pressing the buttons on the monitor itself. It's likely going to be a joystick or a button behind or below the monitor right here. Now let's apply the following setting. So for the best overall gaming settings out there, once again, the refresh rate is going to be something like 200 Hz. Now, in order to achieve this, you also want to make sure that you are using a DisplayPort. The adaptive sync is going to be on. The game mode is going to be standard. Overdrive is going to be level 2. And HDR is off for competitive gaming. And the dynamic contrast is going to be off. Now for color settings, you want to set your brightness at 40 to 50. Of course, this can depend on your room lighting. Contrast at 75, the color temperature at neutral or warm, the gamma at default or relative gamma off, the sharpness at 50, and the saturation is going to be 45 or 50. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.